Right now, an overturned cement truck is backing up traffic on Highway 90. Our Abby Breidenbach is live with a look at the scene. Abby, what are you seeing right now?
Hey Katie, good morning. KATC first on the scene here, just pulling up minutes ago to this awful site. You can see this cement truck overturned on Highway 90. It's blocking off just one lane of that northbound direction coming from the Iberia Parish area into Lafayette. We're just north of that Ambassador Caffrey exit onto Highway 90. Right now we see two fire trucks on the scene, as well as one officer from Broussard Police. We've been trying to get in touch with both fire and police departments. Obviously, they're busy on the scene right now. We're waiting on a word from them, not only on how long this should take for cleanup as far as traffic purposes, but more importantly, who was involved in the wreck and are they okay? We're hoping to get confirmation of that before we come back to you in our next half hour. But right now, what you guys need to know is you can probably see that traffic looks like it's backed up pretty far. So south of Ambassador Caffrey, that's where you're gonna have to worry about traffic. You can see that it goes all the way past the light. You really can't see exactly how far it goes past that light backed up, but hopefully we can get a little bit more information or maybe even see that on the traffic cams in just a little bit back at this station. So if you are heading from Iberia Parish or St. Mary Parish into Lafayette or anywhere north today, be aware that as you pass that Ambassador Caffrey exit, it is going to be a bit of traffic. So this morning, give yourself some extra time because this doesn't look like a scene that's going to be cleared up for any of those early morning commuters, especially over the next hour. It's a pretty big truck, again, taking up one whole lane right now. More information will come as soon as we find it out. We're going to have it for you here on the air, on our website, KATC.com, on Twitter, Facebook, all the appropriate platforms. So we'll be back in just a little bit. But right now, Katie, we're going to send it back to you in the studio.